Hi everyone, I'm Toni Carver from TLC Style and Colour. At this time of year, the seasons are changing. Maybe you switch your wardrobes round so you actually move away your spring and summer things in preparation for autumn, winter. Number one, I want you to have a look in your wardrobe, specifically your most worn items, because you've got your money's worth, you've got your pounds per wear, you've been wearing them lots and lots. Second, can you keep wearing them in the cooler months? So this is about layering things and adding them to other items, restyling them so that you can continue to wear them into the autumn and the winter months. Trends do tend to repeat themselves. And you might already have that new cardigan that everyone's raving about already tucked in the back of the wardrobe. If there was something in a magazine or on social media and you think, oh, I really like that, just have a double check whether you've already got something that you can restyle it for the new season. It's not always about buying brand new things. Now, I know it sounds a bit boring, but making a list concentrates the mind. It focuses you on what those items of clothing are that you actually need. What are you missing in your wardrobe? To be able to identify the specifics like the colour of something that you need, the style of it, maybe even the shape of it, the fit, how you want it to make you feel. Good luck, enjoy.